This is Khaldun from Kanen Coffee. Today we're going to test this beautiful Lelit Mara X espresso machine. It comes to us with some issues. It was like when I opened it, I found it like leaks from almost everywhere. Actually, it's like many spots it was leaking, and the customer was complaining also some issues. But the main issue was like he was trying to fix the water level probe, then he dropped this sleeve inside the boiler, so was the hardest part to take that out of the boiler. And I replaced the water, like the steam boiler, the safety valve in the steam boiler, and the vacuum release valve too, that was like leaking all the time. And this is the other part of the water level probe, and it get replaced too. So in order to take that sleeve out, I was like, I should open the boiler and take off look at how was the heating element. Then I clean it. It became like that after that. So let's go ahead and test the machine, make espresso shot on it. Okay, this is great shot coming out of it with thick crema, 3 layers of coffee. And let's test the steamer. That works perfect. And the hot water. That works great too, and the machine refilling right away. So the machine functioning perfect now, no leaks, no nothing, and even the boiler itself gets like perfect clean from inside since I already opened it. Thank you for watching.